the Amber Group.
My experience with the plumbers were absolutely wonderful. Very clean, very quick, really wonderful. Can't fault them at all.
I've had my boiler about 5 years now, and it's still going strong. It's wonderful. There's never been a problem with it, and they're very, very reliable. And I had one little hiccup, and the boys came in straight away and fixed it, and that was it. It's been as good as new again. Yeah, I found them very, very good, very clean, very tidy.
Yeah.
And you know, very, very quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was quick.
Couldn't fault them. I certainly would recommend them any time.
Any time,
Yeah,
yes.
I would recommend
Yeah. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
them.
Sorry.